So basically what we're looking at is what this area looked like 400 years ago. We're seeing obviously these two banks of the creek were once connected, and we're seeing how sea levels have rose and fallen and the patterns of it have changed the geology of the area. And by doing so, we're going to be able to see how much of the tectonics around the area have been submerged by testing the core samples.
So Delaney's work is a spin-off of something I did a few summers ago now, actually a few falls ago now, with another group of students working with the Chesapeake Bay Foundation. They are trying to get a handle on exactly where John Smith may have put one of his famous crosses. And that organization has been putting markers at various places around the bay where they think the crosses were originally placed. And that's when I got involved because we figured we could use geology to try to get a handle on the site history. So the goal then, based off that project, was to then explore this concept further. How do rivers change at that transition from estuarine to fluvial? And hopefully that might answer more questions about what John Smith saw in his time. But even if it doesn't help us with that question, I think it's really important as far as forward. How does rising sea level impact these watersheds in the Eastern Shore?
Apart from contributing to the geological history of the area, it's important to figure what this area looked like in order to plan for the future as well. If we know what sea level rise is already done, it'll be able to plan mitigation plans for the future. Broad Creek is not alone in what's happening here. It's happening up and down the eastern seaboard, along with we were looking at a freshwater swamp here, and what is unique about this area is the fact that it is freshwater with very little tidal influence. But if you go down to North Carolina, similar things could be seen. I'm from Cecil County, and I grew up crabbing and fishing my entire life, and you know what, as a geology major it's not that exciting, but we're in a transitioning environment and geological processes that someone's got to map, and I kind of want to be that person.